Warren Buffett, known as one of the greatest investors, emphasizes not only practical financial strategies, but also the importance of positive personal traits to achieve true wealth. He particularly stresses the value of forming strong financial habits. Speaking to students, he noted, "Our actions are often guided by habit, and it's easy to overlook them at first, but they are hard to break once established. We might want to form new habits, but the most crucial one is saving money effectively. Don't just save what remains after spending. Instead, spend only after you've saved." He recommends setting up an automatic system to save a portion of each paycheck and using tools to track your monthly expenses. Successful people often have habits that those who struggle to succeed don't practice. Warren Buffett, a very wealthy individual, explained to Bloomberg that everyone has their unique routines. Some of these routines can affect your health or personal life, while others can greatly influence your finances. Many times, individuals overlook the poor financial habits that prevent them from accumulating wealth. Buffett believes that while you can't eliminate these negative habits, you can adopt positive ones in their place. This change is key to increasing your wealth. Please stay till the end of this video. Click the subscribe button now to join others who aspire to be extremely wealthy. Warren Buffett isn't just any billionaire. He's worth about $106 billion, but lives a simple life. He resides in the same house he purchased for $31,000 in 1957, prefers using public transport over owning a private jet, and enjoys playing card games rather than throwing lavish parties. This combination of immense wealth and modest living fascinates people globally. From his early years, Buffett began his journey to wealth by selling sodas, newspapers, magazines, and gum directly to his neighbors. He loved the independence of working for himself, especially when delivering newspapers, because he could set his own schedule and work undisturbed in the morning. He delivered 500 newspapers daily and earned a penny per paper. He has also always had a passion for reading. His aunt gifted him a book of facts he still treasures, and he read his first investment book in his father's office. Today, he still dedicates 5 to 6 hours to reading each day. Though he began his business endeavors in the late 20th century, he remains active, keeping up with the market trends and often sharing valuable advice to help others increase their financial standing. In making money, timing is crucial. Warren Buffett claims you don't need exceptional intelligence, just patience. Many regard Buffett as an investment guru, yet he attributes much of his fortune to consistent and smart financial practices. He is recognized as a billionaire who values every dollar. In this video, we'll discuss the financial habits Buffett embraces, as he shared in an interview. While some may overlook this guidance, Buffett insists that good financial practices can build your wealth, even from scratch. Habit 1. Spend wisely. Initially, it may sound straightforward, but statistics reveal that over 65% of people don't manage their money properly. Warren Buffett has emphasized this repeatedly. He observes that people often plan expenditures for money they haven't yet earned. He recommends considering future purchases not in dollars, but in the hours of labor needed to make that money. Reflect on how many hours you work each month and your earnings. Calculate the value of 1 hour of your labor and compare it to the price of your desired purchase. If you earn $4,000 but are eyeing a brand new Tesla that costs at least $40,000, consider if it's truly worth the expense. It might be wiser to explore additional income sources before you start saving for such a purchase. Buffett also advises budgeting every dollar you earn and spend, no matter the amount. He notes that managing $1 million is challenging because it's easy to lose track of such a significant amount without realizing where it's going. Habit 2. Invest your money. To grow your extra money, you need to learn how to invest. Simply saving money isn't enough because it loses value over time to rising prices. To combat this, at least put your money into a savings account with an interest rate that outpaces inflation. But to really increase your funds, you should start investing. Before jumping into something like the stock market, it's important to understand the basics of investing. Dedicate some time to learning daily. For example, instead of scrolling through Facebook or Instagram in the morning, spend 10 to 20 minutes reading about investments. Keep up with daily news on the stock market. Did you know that major American tech companies like Facebook and Google can yield returns of about 30% per year? It's fascinating that the same platforms that consume so much of our time can also be avenues for significant financial growth. Habit 3. Work in uncommon places. Warren Buffett's next tip might seem unusual, but he often checks global markets at McDonald's, not from an office. Buffett says, "I associate money with big challenges that require creative solutions." Take Albert Einstein as an example. In 1905, he wrote 4 groundbreaking papers while working at a patent office in Switzerland, not in a typical scientific setting. This unique environment helped him to think outside conventional laboratory methods. Working in different places from your peers can spark new ideas and blend insights from various fields. If you only read what everyone else does, you'll end up thinking the same way they do. But if you seek out less common information and study what others overlook, your work will stand out and truly benefit others. Warren Buffett is known for his straightforward yet insightful financial advice. He believes that people often spend money on things they don't truly need, which hampers their ability to accumulate wealth. By avoiding these common financial pitfalls, you can alter your financial course and start building significant wealth. Mistake 1. Ignoring personal development. A common error among those who struggle financially is neglecting their own growth. Buffett advises that the most valuable investment you can make is in yourself. Improving your skills and gaining a good education can significantly increase your earning potential. Employers seek individuals who already possess the required skills and knowledge because they often lack the time to train new hires. They are willing to pay well for competent people. Also, if you're considering starting your own business, understanding business operations is essential. Your knowledge and skills are invaluable assets that no one can take from you, so it's important to continue enhancing them. Mistake 2. Overusing credit cards. Credit cards can be useful, especially when you need to make a purchase, but don't have enough cash on hand. However, the interest charges on credit cards can negate any benefits if the balance isn't paid off promptly. Take a moment to calculate how much you spend annually on credit card interest. The amount may surprise you. Buffett recommends reducing this expense because it prevents you from spending beyond your means and frees up money that could be better spent on education, for instance. Mistake 3. Chasing the latest technology. The allure of new gadgets is powerful thanks to effective modern marketing. But if your goal is to increase your wealth, evaluate what you truly need and whether a new gadget is affordable. Often, your existing device is perfectly adequate and doesn't need replacement. Buffett himself prefers practical and functional technology over the latest models. Buffett is known for his frugality and does not buy new products if they're similar to what he already owns. This careful spending extends to social habits as well. Going out to bars, restaurants and pubs is common, particularly among those who aren't yet wealthy. Cutting back on these expenses is crucial if you aim to build wealth. Remember, socializing is important, but it can be done just as effectively at home, saving money without sacrificing your social life. Spending on clothes. Consider how the wealthiest individuals dress. Many, including Buffett, opt for simple attire. To move away from financial struggle, forget flashy and expensive brands that often charge premium prices just for their logo. There are numerous affordable quality clothing options available that do not carry a famous brand name. Wasting money on unused gym memberships. Did you know that about 80% of people who sign up for a gym membership stop going? Many gyms offer low-priced memberships for a year or 6 months, which can be tempting. However, if you don't actually use the gym, even a cheap membership is a waste. Buffett encourages staying active but recommends against this type of spending. If you've purchased a yearly membership and stopped going, consider exercising for free at home or outside. Alternatively, opt for a monthly membership that encourages regular visits. Subscription services that drain your wallet. Regularly review your subscriptions to ensure you really need them. Many services ask for credit card details for a free trial and then charge you when it ends. People often only notice these subscriptions when they see the charge and forget to cancel the auto-renewal, leading to unnecessary spending. Keep an eye on your subscriptions, especially those on promotional offers. Set a reminder to cancel the renewal before the period ends to prevent last-minute charges. The expense of buying new cars. Warren Buffett advises against buying new cars due to their rapid depreciation. He recommends purchasing used cars and using them for as long as possible. Always consider the ongoing costs of maintenance and repairs when contemplating such a large purchase. Think carefully about whether you truly need a car, particularly if it could strain your finances. Often, the desire for a new car is driven by comfort or peer pressure, not affordability. Gambling and quick money schemes. Gambling may seem like a fast way to make money, but Buffett warns about understanding the real odds of winning. He encourages making financial decisions that benefit you in the long run, rather than opting for quick gains. Many people lose substantial amounts of money hoping to strike it rich quickly, which can become a recurring issue. It's important to recognize when to stop and focus on long-term strategic financial planning. If you find these insights useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in finance and wealth building. Your journey to financial freedom continues, and I'm excited to be a part of it. Here's to your investing success. Profitable investing.